Thank you for the wonderful introduction. I've got 3 minutes only. First of all, before I start, can we have a huge round of applause for the US Consulate, for the UNIC, and for the men behind it, Samyak. I think they have done a wonderful job. I'm not a good speaker, so I'm here to show you a magic. Can we all stand up for a second, please? Everyone. Everyone. Okay. How many of you have seen Munna Bhai MBBS? 2 times? 3 times? Great. How many of you को पता है कि जादू की जप्पी क्या होती है? Everybody knows about it? Okay, in the next 1 minute, you will hug 3 random person, will ask their name, and will tell that we are going to be the change makers of tomorrow. And my hug goes to that man. He's standing there from 4 o'clock with us from that heat and standing here for our security. So your time starts now. Go. 3 people, random hug.
I got the right man.
Only 3 people at a time.
Yes.
I've got only 3 minutes to speak on the piece.
You have exposure.
Okay. From 4 o'clock, I've been hearing every single speech on the change makers. And everybody has given one message. That you believe in your dream, you believe in your passion, you believe in your thought, you believe in your compassion, you believe in your work, you believe in your own self. But the truth is, unless and until you do it in action, the change won't happen. Nearly 65 years ago, the youth of this nation decided to do or die and exchange the map of the world. Nearly 120 years ago, a man from Kolkata, from India, decided to stand for the truth, and he had been able to rise up as a new India, Swami Vivekananda. This is our time. This is our future. This is our moment. So what are we going to do? So I'm here to tell you about my next project. Not about my last projects, because we are the common men. We are not as fortunate as Sachin Tendulkar that we get in the team because of our past performances. We will be able to get the stage because of our last performance. My dear friend Nitesh Jain, he came up with the idea that he wanted to travel from India to England on motorbike for the global peace. And why this Deepak Yatra is so much important, because it has 5 fundamental ideas which has been connected with it. The first thought that people have said that in India, I heard one speech in the noon, one man said that in India corporate, media and government cannot work together. This Deepak Yatra has been the unique inclusive campaign where 22 organizations have come together to promote the global peace, including Government of India, which has been led by Congress, and the Government of Gujarat, which has been led by BJP. So everybody has come together to spread the peace. So it's happening if you really want to do it. Second, we are connecting 8 nations: India, Pakistan, Iran, Turkey, Greece, Italy, France, England. And we are going to honor 600 doers and change makers and trendsetters who are actually working on the grassroots level. Third thing that we are going to do is we are going in the colleges and schools and universities to connect the youth and to spread the message of a peace and see how we can together bring the change. The fourth thing that we are going to do is we are spreading the goodwill of Indian wisdom. And the fifth, this is the only campaign which has come up with the idea that someone wants to do something. जब हम छोटे होते हैं तब सभी लोग, मैं जब छोटा था तब मुझे लोग पूछते थे कि पार्थ आप बड़े होके क्या बनना चाहते हो? And everybody, you know, needs to answer this question, that बच्चा बड़े होके क्या बनोगे? In our society we have fundamentally failed. We have never asked a kid that what he wants to do. We always focus on what he or she wants to be. And when you decide that what you want to do, automatically everything will fall in place. And Depai Yatra is all about promoting that peace, that doing, and that youthfulness that we again take to the next level. It is all about. And in the end, माना कि अंधेरा घना है, माना कि अंधेरा घना है, पर यारो दिया जलाना कहाँ मना है. Thank you so much.